So good day everyone, my name is Esther Pangniban from BSIE 3102, and for today's video we're going to make this kind of figure. So let's get started. So now let's open our SolidWorks 2019. Then let's change this part to IPS, then sketch, then click front plane. Then after this, let's have a rectangle. Let's choose center rectangle. Then let's have its smart dimension. Let's click 3. And the lower part is 3.75. After this, let's click fillet. Then let's type 0.50. Then let's click this part, this part, this part, and also this part. Then check. Then after this, let's have a circle. For circle here, 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 and also here. Then check. Then let's click control, then click this circle, and also this circle. Then equal. Then smart dimension, click this part. Then type 0.38. Then check. Then after this, let's have a features. Then let's click extruded. Then let's type 0.38 again. 0.38, then check. Then after this, let's click spacebar, then front. Then let's sketch in this part. Then click this part, then sketch. Let's have a corner rectangle here. Then another corner rectangle here. Then smart dimension 1.13. This part is also 1.13. This part is 0.06. This part is also 0.06. Then after this, check. The next is let's have a features, and let's click this extruded cut. Then let's click this part, then let's change this to true all, then check. So the next thing that we're going to do is to rotate this part to this side, then space bar, click this part, then let's click this side and this and choose right plane. Then after this, let's have a line, center line here, then here. Then after this, let's have the smart dimension. Let's type 2.66. And this part, and this part is 2.38. Angle is 30. next is let's click features, then reference geometry, then plane. Then click this part and also this part. Then check. Then now, let's click spacebar. Then let's click this part. Then let's expand the plane. On the plane. Then let's click this plane and sketch. But first, let's click this part, then convert entities, then let's have a rectangle. Let's choose center rectangle, then after this, let's click this part, then control, then this part, then type coincident. Then after this, let's have a smart dimension here. Let's click 2.38. And in this part is 1.88. Then check. The next is let's have a fillet. Then let's type 0.31. Then let's click this part, and also this part, then check. Then after that, let's have a circle here. Circle here, here, and here. Then check. Then let's click control, then click the circle, and also this circle. Then click equal, then smart dimension, let's type 0.31. Then after this, let's delete this line in the middle. Then let's click features, then extruded. Then let's type 0.31. Then check. Then after this, let's hide this plane. Hide this. Then let's have a, let's type, let's click spacebar, then this part. Then after this, let's have a corner rectangle. Corner rectangle here, and also here. Then after this, let's hold this part, then control, then this part, and click equal. Then after that, let's hold this part, control, and this part, then click vertical. Then after this, let's have the smart dimension. This part is 0.31, and this part is 0.16. And the next thing that we're going to do is to trim this part. Trim, and check. So next is let's unhide this part. Let's show. Then after this, let's the next is let's click extruded. Then change this to up to surface and click this part, then check. Then after this, let's have a line here. So sketch, line, click this part to this part, then select. The next is in this part. This part, this part, this part, and also this part. Then select. Then after that, let's have a lofted cut. Then let's click this part and also this part at the back. Part and this part, then check. So the next thing that we're going to do is to click this part, then click this right plane, then mirror, cut loft, and check. Then after this, let's change this to hidden lines removed. Then let's draw a circle here. Two circles. One circle and another circle. Then after that, let's have a smart dimension. Let's type 1.38. And this part is 0.50. The big circle is 0.75. And the small circle is 0.50. Then check. And the next thing that we're going to do is to click this part, then extrude. Then change this part to offset, then 0.29. Then this part, let's type 1.38. Then selected contour, this part, and check. Then after that, let's have a extruded, and this part, let's click, then change this part to true all, then this part, let's change this to up to next, and this, then change this. Then check. Then let's change this. So thank you for watching. God bless.